Hi, my name's Courtney and I'm a winemaker. So a winemaker is producing wine from grapes that are grown in a vineyard. So it's squashing grapes, getting the juice, fermenting it in vats, aging it in barrels and putting wine into a bottle. So one of the key responsibilities as a winemaker is ensuring the quality of our wine. So this involves a lot of lab analysis, record keeping and making sure that we've got training for all of our cellar hands. Here we're checking for the pH of the wine. So the pH is basically the amount of acid is in the wine. So it's important to check the acidity of wine. There's a certain range that we need to keep it between to make sure that it maintains its freshness and brightness. So I started off as an engineer, so I studied chemical and materials engineering and I worked for 2.5 years as an engineering consultant and then decided that I wanted to do something a little bit more hands-on. I wanted to make something. So I studied a postgraduate diploma in wine science, so it was a 1-year postgraduate degree and that gave me the foundations that I needed to become a winemaker. So another way that you can become a winemaker is basically just working as a cellar hand and working your way up. So you don't actually have to have the study, you can learn on the job. The most important subjects that you can study at school are probably chemistry and biology. So every day we're expected to try the wines just to check for quality and any faults. So expect to drink a lot of wine. Normally the hours during harvest can vary, so we can do up to 12-hour shifts. The rest of the year we're just a normal 9-to-5 job. So this is when you're relying on your palate and your sense of smell, and so you're smelling for different faults, you're smelling for different characters in the wines. Being able to basically connect your brain with your mouth and your nose is really important. So one of the perks of the job is being able to travel around the world. We make wine around the world in so many different places and all of them are really beautiful.